and we need at least more first doses of Pfizer.
Within weeks of this year's Delta outbreak, state premiers raised concerns that Australia didn't have enough of the Pfizer vaccine, the jab recommended for most adults.
That is the bottom line. We need a refocus of additional doses.
The Morrison government faces increasing questions about its management of Australia's vaccine supplies.
7:30 revealed in July that former Prime Minister Kevin Rudd had met with Pfizer's global boss Albert Bourla at the behest of senior business figures concerned about vaccine supplies.
I had a little chuckle when I saw the story, but did it make a difference? No.
Well, more now on those bombshell emails.
Showing the federal government dragging its heels, putting off key meetings with Pfizer.
Now 7:30 has obtained further correspondence from around the same time last year. 2 days after Pfizer's letter to the minister, someone in Greg Hunt's office forwards the email to a health department official saying, "For your information, we'll leave it to you on this one."
I mean, come on.
Yeah.
You should have taken a
Our
meeting.
job, look, I respectfully say we engaged in May, engaged in June, July, all the way through.
Some positive news this morning for both Pfizer and BioNTech.
Companies racing to have a vaccine by the end of the year.
New hope in the urgent race for a coronavirus vaccine.
That same week, the company announced data from a COVID vaccine trial. 7:30 has obtained this letter sent by Pfizer to the minister's office. The subject line was Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, positive early data released last night. Pfizer Australia then wrote that efforts to manufacture the leading candidates are gearing up and that global colleagues are enthusiastic to discuss this further and possible opportunities in Australia at a senior level at the earliest opportunity. Please feel free to call anytime. The Health Minister's Office forwarded this email to the Health Department, writing, "For your information."
We worked very hard to get this conversation started as quickly as we could. We're really very keen to start things as quickly as we could.
In a statement, the Health Minister's Office says the Australian government entered into an advance purchase agreement with Pfizer for the purchase of their COVID-19 vaccine as soon as possible, and that no earlier doses were available to Australia.
Let me ask you the question.
The federal government announced a deal with Pfizer for 10 million shots in November last year, more than 4 months after the company was pushing for talks at the earliest opportunity. It's since ordered millions of extra doses from Pfizer.
My understanding is by that point, Pfizer had already done deals for around 1 billion doses with 34 countries. By that point, is that correct?
By that point, yes, there were a range of deals and contracts already in place, and Australia came online November.
Hi, I'm Lee Sales. Thanks for watching this story. If you'd like to watch more of 7:30's stories, they are on the left of your screen. And tap on the button below to subscribe and get the latest from ABC News.